Look at this. It's a corner kick. It's a corner kick. Ibhola lisuka le lihamba phansi. Umuntu uziyalitrappa, uyashaya nokushaya. Nomfukeng naye, he's shocked. He's shocked naye. Bafethu. At this level, okay, sharp. This one is not ball watching, right? Doing his own thing. These two, I think this guy, the guys who assist la, right? Remember when they send two players to take a corner kick, you have to send two. But this guy, he's pointing. Uyakhomba. Hey, Mfukeng Kyole. Mfana waval. No, go and press, Baba. Go and press. You can't be sending this guy to come here because he's focused here. What if they play the ball here? Bashai. Right? There has to be someone good delight. When Umageba. Yeah? They are pointing. Bafethu. At this level, players that are alert. You need to be alert when we defend a corner kick. Last week, Sundowns scored via a corner kick, right? This guy was standing here, Amake Umukweli. But because there is three, then there is two, and the Sundowns played a short corner, he goes there. But what happens is, Urevri, Utino retake because La Bayan. Now Sundowns decides to send Usales La. Now keep watching. I always say, if they send two to take a corner kick, you guys must send two. Sundowns should have played a short corner kick here. Now, look at this guy. Remember what I said? Umukwena was out of the picture. So he was focused on Umukwena. Now watch him. Umukwena is all alone here. Sundowns takes long corner. Almost scored. Anibonanga. Nyas. Let me take it back. Focus on this guy. Focus on this guy. He knows ukuthi akamakanga muntu and he is looking. He can smell the danger. He can see the danger. Focus on this guy.